everyone, Jyoti this side, Assistant Professor in Management, CPJ College affiliated to IP University. So today we will be going to study recruitment versus selection. What does recruitment and selection means and how they are different with each other. When we talk about recruitment and selection, they both are the part of hiring process of a company. What does hiring means? We have a vacancy and we want to recruit the best fit for it. That means that is a process that we are going to conduct for letting one individual enter into the organization and get selected for the vacant position or the vacancy that we have. So when we talk about recruitment and selection, both are the part of hiring process, but they both are different from each other. How come they are different from each other? When we talk about recruitment, it is termed as a positive process. When we term as selection, it is termed as a negative process. Why so? Next, firstly we understand why it is termed as a primary stage of the hiring process and why it is termed as the secondary stage of the hiring process. Now, let's take up with positive plus the primary stage of the hiring process. Recruitment means when you are inviting the individual and the applicant to take part into the hiring process and get hired for your company. You are basically inviting the applicants from various different sources available into the market so that they can apply for the vacancy that you have in your company, so that you have a pool of applicants to get shortlisted the best fit for your organization. Now when we move to the selection process, that comes after the primary process, that is recruitment. That is the only reason we term as secondary, that is second stage of the hiring process. That is selection. That means if you have got the pool of applicants, you need to shortlist the number of applicants now and find the one perfect fit for your organization that fulfill all the criteria according to the vacancy that you have in your organization. When we talk about recruitment, it means you are inviting the pool. That means you are inviting the pool of candidates. For example, you have a vacancy for HR manager and you want to fill that vacancy. You have asked the individuals to apply and you get 1,000 resumes from different sources available. Then those pool that you receive, these 1,000 will be the part of the recruitment of your organization. But now you have shortlisted these applicants. Now you have shortlisted these applicants and received 10 only now. You have 10 and the complete rigorous selection happens on these 10, like face-to-face interview, medical test, or you could conduct this as competitive test and personality development test. All such tests are now conducted on these 10 candidates so that you can find one perfect fit for your organization. So this complete part of the hiring process, starting from inviting to getting that one perfect fit for your organization, will be termed as hiring process, including both the primary as well as the secondary stage, that is recruitment and selection. When we term recruitment and selection, it is the expensive one because you need to get money individual as well as the sources from where you get the applicants. And same way when we move to the selection, it costs to the company because finding one perfect fit for your organization is not easy because every individual does not fit perfectly to your organization. So I hope you would have understood the difference between recruitment and selection in a company with the aspect of a hiring process. Thank you so much and I hope you have understood. Looking forward further. Thank you.